Good morning and Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is your science teacher and I welcome you all to another exciting year. As you all have entered grade 5, you shall be experiencing many interesting things in science. Now beginning with our class, I want you all to open your new Oxford primary science books and turn to page 2, unit number 1, building units of the body. Just as a house is made up of bricks, we can say that the smallest component of a house are bricks. In a similar way, human body is not just made up of lungs, heart, liver, stomach, brain, and other parts. Rather, there are other more smaller components that actually make up these organs. Now, these components are the smallest things that make up the larger organs of our body. They are named as cells. Cells are the building units of the body. They are so very small that you can't see them with your eyes. To really see a cell, you need to have a microscope. Now, what exactly this microscope is? It is basically a device that is used to see those objects that are too small to be seen by your eyes. Well, our world is full of a variety of plants as well as animals. Many of these are so small that we are hardly able to see them with our eyes, whereas others are huge like lions, birds, elephants, alligator, plants, as you can see flowers here, trees, and above all us, that is the humans. These organisms that we can't see with our eyes comes in the category of unicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms are those which have one cell only. Their body basically comprises of one cell. Unicellular organisms do not have internal organs. The examples of unicellular organisms include amoeba, euglena, paramecium, and bacteria. These are a few of them. There are other categories. On the other hand lies those organisms who have multiple cells. The number of cells can be few to billions. Such animals are known as multicellular animals or multicellular organisms. We humans, plants, insects, animals are the examples of the multicellular organisms. Now with this, we end our session here. I want you all to kindly solve the worksheet attached with this video. If you have any questions related to the topics discussed today, feel free to ask me in our class group. Thank you so very much for listening. Take care and Allah Hafiz.